Hello everyone, welcome to another video of mine. So how are you all doing? Hopefully you all are doing great. And welcome to all of the people who have been my repeated subscriber, who are seeing me again and again. I just want to say a lot of thanks to you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for your constant support, and also a warm welcome to whoever is seeing me for the first time. If you like my video, if you like my channel, do consider subscribing, girls. Probably it's going to help one another to just grow. And that's because sorry about the lighting, because I'm filming in the daylight. So if just the camera shifts, if I'm going to shift from the focus, sometimes my face is going to turn orangey yellow. So I'm so sorry about that. I'm just trying to fix the light, and because the sun outside is like it's coming and going, it's mostly cloudy. And so just start the video, so bear with me, girls. And so this is the first one, and it comes with the bundle. Because the thing is, because I've opened all of this, I'm shooting this video for the second time, because the first time I just shooted this video and my face was looking with yellowy browny because the light was shifting so much, so I had to film it again. Anyways, so this bag comes with this one, the liquid matte minis, and it comes in a pack like this. So one side it has got the matte minis, comes with with this, and on the other side there are the 4 smaller mini lipsticks. So let me just let's start with the bag one by one. And this is like the proper tortoise shell bag. It's not like the tortoise shell, as just the print is that proper plasticky bag. So with some nice handle to it. So if you want, you can use it as a clutch, or maybe your teenager or someone who wants in the family, or who is a big fan of Huda beauty. So you can use this as your clutch, or for some evening hours, or just carrying the bits and bobs. So I think this one is a cool stuff. And but trust me, for me, I'm just going to use to keep my makeup brushes. Or with the first palette, you can see like the light is shifting, so sorry about it. And this one is the caramel brown obsessions palette. I'm just going to add all the swatches at the last of the video, so just to have a rough idea. Because trust me, girls, the swatches which is going to be on my hands, you can see, and on my eyes is going to be completely different. But nevertheless, I'm just going to swatch at least some of the colors. I was excited to see, this marble color. I've never seen a marble shade. So when I'm going to just put my finger, it doesn't looks like a marble. It just looks like, one of those orangey shades. Can you just see? One of those orangey shades with with a tinge of gold in it. So this is one of those shades. But again, on the eyes, it performs okayish. It's an average sort of shade, nothing too crazy or creamy. Or rather than that, I find these shades much more nicer, more creamy, more buttery soft. As far as you cannot just say, because it's all Huda's palette. So Huda's has that the blending part, it's going to blend seamlessly, it's going to look flawless. You don't need to work hard with these. You're just going to roll your brushes and the work is going to be done by itself. So you don't need to be a pro, because I'm not a pro. I'm going to learn while using the colors. That's how I learned it, just that. So that's it. And I like this one again, the gold, this with some hints of copper in it, like a coppery sort of shade, coppery gold. Again, a nice shade for an evening day out. I find shimmery shades, and this is again the bronzy shade, so buttery. So on the eyes it looks wonderful. I've just created an eye look, which I'm going to just post a video after this. If you're interested in seeing this eye look, it's very nice. So I like this palette, with the day-to-day basis. I'm not going to say that it's going to be my go-to palette, because I don't use these shades for my go-to, because my favorite ones is like the Huda nude medium palette. I love that. I absolutely love it, and that's one of my go-to basics palette, if I'm going to say that. But this, again, being said, that you can use it like for your evening looks. You can use it to create a party look. You can matte shades, or just using these matte shades, or putting this on the lower lash line and using these 2 shades on the crease, and probably a bit of shimmer in the eyelids. So I think that's going to be an appropriate day look. But so this is my caramel brown obsession palette review, the short and sweet review, and I'm going to put all the swatches at the end of the video. Brown liquid matte minis. So this one is, it comes with 4 different sort of liquid lipsticks. One of them is from the permanent line, the trendsetter, and rest 3 are the new shades. So if you are familiar with the Huda's, the liquid lipsticks, it comes with like the full size one. So this is the mini, which is 1.9 ml, but trust me, I never run out of liquid lipsticks. The more I use it, I think it's going to last you ages and ages and ages. No matter how much you apply, it doesn't. So that's with me, but if you're going to use it regularly, then probably still it's a quite suitable size. So this comes again with the traditional cardboard plasticky packaging, the tortoise shell print in it. So let's start. I just want to start with the new shade, which is on top, and so this one is on top. So you can see this is just from one dip into the product. I didn't dip it twice. So very nice, very flattering shade for Indian skin tone. Or I think this shade is going to suit all across the board. Especially, it's not going to go with my today's eye look, but looking beautiful. So this is the shade on top, and it has got like the traditional dofer applicator. If you're going to see at the lipstick tube, it's like the traditional, the frosted glass tube which they have for the full size lipstick. It's just the same, just the mini version. So just a beautiful shade. I'm going to enjoy this shade wearing in the summer months because I love these sort of shades, trust me. This is Alpha Femme. Oh, this is nice brown sort of shade. Like the girls who like brown colors, this is a very good, and especially these days brown is a trending one. Milk chocolate brown for me, it's like not a very brown as in dark chocolate. It's proper milk chocolate, but again very flattering shade. So this is Alpha Femme. One is Trendsetter. So Trendsetter is from the permanent line, but I'm still going to swatch it because I didn't have this shade from earlier. Oh, this is nice. So this is Trendsetter. Again, this one is going to be a day-to-day option for me, or for the tan girls who like wearing brown shade, brown nude. So I think this is going to be perfect. Not as a nude, it's not going to wash you out, but still it's going to look perfect. And the last one is going to be Her Majesty. So this looks to me as a proper dark shade of this bunch. Yes, I'm perfectly correct. So this is like on the lips, quite comfortable. The same Huda formula, but to me, and some of the, like the dark shade, it goes on patchy and it goes on streaky. But this, you can see it's not patchy, it's quite even, looking beautiful. And again, it's going to be very flattering, especially in the winter months. So this one is Her Majesty. So that's it for my swatches of this video, girls. Hopefully you like it and hopefully you find some useful information. And if you are near to my skin tone, like I'm NC 40 at the moment, and probably, so if you're near to my skin tone, so these, you get an idea about how, if you like one of these, because in Boots it's sold separately if you want separate, or from the Huda website, if you have a gift set, you can go for that. I find this is more value for money. Hopefully you like this video, guys, and until then, I see you in my next video. Bye. Love to you all. Bye.